Good afternoon. We are going to go through some of the procedures necessary in order to perform a bulk rerouting. So one of the first things we are going to complete is a duplication of the routes in order to create a clean template that we can use to recreate our routes while not affecting our routes that are already in production. So we're going to start by clicking on Admin, Graphical Dispatch Utilities. Now, don't panic if you don't see it under this location. You may also find it under Dispatch. However, you do have to have full permissions in order for this feature to activate. So we're going to click on Graphical Utilities and we're going to go to Bulk Route Admin. So what I am going to do is I'm going to select all of the Monday routes. 1M, 2M, 4M. Actually, let's just do this. And search. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a route number that we haven't used already. So 1000U is used. 200 Tuesday, 300. So we are going to go with 500. And we're going to verify the offset and duplicate. So now, if we scroll down in here, you will see Route 500, and that's all of my Monday stops. So the next place we are going to go to is Dispatch, Service Stops, and we're going to select the 500 route in View. Alright, so these are all of our stops, all of our Monday stops. So I can zoom in by right click, hold, and drag. So if I right click, hold the mouse button down and drag, it creates a box. And then click in the center and it will zoom us in. Now, in order to break these apart, I can quite simply, the same way, right click, draw a box. So I'm going to create a route from all of these selected here. Once I've drawn my box, I can click Display Stops. And again, you can manage this grid in here as well so that it displays the information so you're looking at exactly what you need. In this field, you don't have a right-click manage. Down in this grid management box here, you can scroll down and select the option to save layout. So there is a checkbox in here for selected. So any of the stops that are selected will have this little checkbox populated. It'll also tell you the number of stops selected and the number of units, distance, and driving time. Here I can scroll down, create a new route number. So I'm going to stick with the 500s. This is going to be 520 on Monday, and say apply. Click exit, and it's going to continue to jump around. You'll get a pop-up message that looks similar to an error. You can just click OK. That was the error message. So we just click OK there, and if you see here, you see these stops have all changed to a 520. Now, it's not going to complete this change until I click this little floppy disk up here. So once I click Save, we have now branched that off and created a separate route. So once you have rezoned and recreated all of your routes in this manner, the next thing that you want to do is go back into your graphical dispatch utilities and delete the routes that you're replacing. So once you know you've successfully replaced 6M, I can come in here and select that route and then choose the option for bulk delete. Additionally, there's one more place where you can go to manually manage these. So if I go into F5 and I select route 500 into the search, I would recommend checking this box here that says turn off sort field after edit. This way, if you do make changes in here, the grid doesn't jump all around on you. So, check that and search again. Alright, now from in here, let's say I wanted to break my routes apart by the city. I can sort by the city up there. And then I can actually just come down the line here and change this to 501. Alright. I still have to remember to hit my save button, but it will allow me to make changes in here based off of zip code or coordinates, builder, or development as well. I hope you find this helpful, and if you have any additional questions, please head on over to the live chat and we'll be happy to help you. Have a great day.